First of all, open your Snap app and tap on the plus icon to locate the picture you want to use. Then after that, we use your two fingers to zoom. Then you click on tools and click on healing to remove the blemishes away from the pictures. So carefully locate all the blemishes on your face or on your pictures and remove them away carefully. Do it gently and take time to perfectly remove the blemishes away from your picture. Then once you're done, just press the OK icon, click on Tools and click on Portrait. Now select the kind of portrait that suits your picture. Zoom in to check. So now click on Tools and click on Curve. Then you hold the up part to increase the brightness, then the down part to increase the darkness of the picture. That is the highlight and the shadows. Then click OK. Now go back to Tools and select Tonal Contrast. So carefully play alongside with the high tones to perfect your pictures. Once you're done, click on OK. Go back to Tools and select Vintage. Now choose within the vintage any kind of vintage that you best like to suit your picture. As soon as you're done selecting the one you love, click on the OK icon. Now go back to Tools and select Tone Image. Then carefully play alongside with the brightness, contrast, saturation and the rest to suit your pictures. Carefully do it. The shadows, the saturation and the rest. Just carefully play alongside with those options and see how they best suit or match your picture. As soon as you're done, click on Export and click the last option. Wait for it to carefully export and it will show export successfully. Now locate the picture in your gallery and see how good and satisfying it comes out. You see how good that is? Very perfect. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And also follow us on other social medias like Facebook and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Peace.